Hey, this is the video for HOMEOSTASIS.3. So take a moment, set up your Cornell notes. Remember to start a new page for this video. Pay attention to the essential vocabulary. We will be looking at the words stomata, guard cell, transpiration, and gas exchange. So to begin, the surface of leaves are covered with lots of different pores, lots of different holes, and lots of different bean-shaped cells that kind of fill up with water. And this is found on pretty much every leaf. They're more common on the bottom of the leaf, and you'll find out why in a minute. But we have the stomata, and the stomata or stoma or stomates are the pores on the surface of the leaf where gas exchange occurs. And the guard cells are the cells that control the opening of the stomata on the leaf surface. So when they're filled up with water, they kind of plump up and opening up the stomata. And when it's drier, they will close up. Think about like a water balloon or a balloon. When it fills with water, it might plump up, or when it fills with air. And then when it's deflated, it just becomes flat. So from the side, this is what the guard cell would look like. There's two of them here. There's some other guard cells right there. And then the stomata is this opening. Now, there's water that is found inside the leaf, because remember from the previous video, the water comes from the roots and it moves up the plant to the leaves. The water is necessary for photosynthesis, which you will find out in a future video, but you have to get rid of some of that excess water because new water has to come up to the leaves, because it brings with it other nutrients and whatnot. Now, this water is in this little pore space, and it needs to leave. And it's leaving through a process called transpiration. The water is evaporating from the surface of the leaf. So the definition is transpiration is a process in which water evaporates from the surface of a leaf. One purpose of it is to remove excess water, and the other benefit is it cools the leaf. Much like we will be sweating in hot temperatures, during really hot temperatures, transpiration will occur faster because evaporation will cause the leaf surface to cool. Now there's also oxygen. This is oxygen, O2, and we also have carbon dioxide, CO2. The black represents carbon, the red represents oxygen. So we have O2 and CO2 all around here. And carbon dioxide we want to go into the plant because it's necessary for photosynthesis. The oxygen is actually a waste product that the plants need to get rid of. So gas exchange is going to occur at the stomata. We want to get the oxygen out. We want to get the carbon dioxide in. So this process is known as gas exchange. Exchange, going in, coming out. It's a process in which carbon dioxide and oxygen move in and out of the stomata on the leaf of a plant. Gas exchange also occurs in our lungs, and we will talk more about that in a future topic. So I would like you to respond to this check for understanding. I want to know if you truly understand everything that I was explaining, and I want to thank you for your attention. I hope this video was informative. I will see you soon.